Fix Roblox not authorized to join this experience due to privacy settings. Are you getting the Roblox error not authorized to join this experience due to privacy settings? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how you can fix that problem. So the first thing that you need to do is to check your account age. So click on the gear icon at the top right of your screen and then select settings. And then from here, head over into the account info section. So first check your account age. Roblox restricts certain games if your account is under 13. If your birthday is set incorrectly, you may need to create a new account with the right age. Second thing you need to do is to adjust your privacy settings. So head over into the privacy tab under the settings, and then from there, go ahead and scroll down to the private server section, and then click on private servers. And then from here, go ahead and set this one to everyone. This allows you to join servers without needing special invites. And third thing is to check server permission. So if you're joining a VIP or private server, make sure the owner has added you to the guest list. Without permission, you'll still see this error. And the last thing that you'll need to do is to verify content restrictions. So Roblox uses content maturity settings. If your account is 13 plus, adjust this setting so you can access more experience. So you'll find that under parental controls. And that is how you can basically fix not authorized to join this experience due to privacy settings.